The four chambers of the heart alternate between contraction and relaxation in a concerted fashion. This pattern is called the cardiac cycle. During the cardiac cycle, the heart chambers beat cyclically to enable a coordinated flow of blood. The cardiac cycle begins when blood fills the atria. The right atrium is filled by veins that carry deoxygenated blood from the body, and the left atrium is filled by the pulmonary veins which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs. The atria are now filled with blood, while the ventricles are relaxed. Some blood flows passively from the atria to the ventricles at this time. The cardiac cycle continues when the atria contract, forcing blood into the relaxed ventricles. Valves prevent the backflow of blood from the ventricles to the atria. Next, the atria relax and the ventricles contract. Deoxygenated blood is pumped out of the right ventricle into the pulmonary arteries, while oxygenated blood is pumped out of the left ventricle to the rest of the body. Valves prevent the backflow of blood from the attached blood vessels to the ventricles. One cardiac cycle is completed, and this happens in less than 1 second. The contraction phase produces the pressure required to move blood into the systemic and pulmonary circulations. The relaxation phase allows each chamber to refill before the next contraction. One complete contraction phase of the cardiac cycle is called systole. One complete relaxation phase is called diastole. Blood pressure varies according to the cardiac cycle. The diastolic pressure is the lowest pressure occurring during ventricular relaxation, whereas the systolic pressure is the peak pressure that occurs during ventricular contraction.